In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new website or migrating an existing one, understanding how to properly upload your files is essential. So let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible for you. First things first, you need to visit the Hostinger website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger address to get started. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a variety of options, but to proceed, you'll want to focus on logging in. So look for that login button and give it a click. If you don't yet have an account with Hostinger, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, entering your credentials will get you into the main dashboard area. Now once you've logged in, you're going to head over to what's known as the H panel. This is Hostinger's user-friendly interface that simplifies many hosting and website management tasks. Once in the H panel, you should be on the home section automatically, but if not, don't worry, just click on home and you'll be where you need to be for the next steps. The next thing to focus on in the H panel is the migration button. Go ahead and click on it. This is an essential step for moving or uploading your files, particularly if you're transferring an existing site onto Hostinger. Now after clicking on migration, you'll spot an option labelled Migrate Website. Click on this to continue the process. Once you've selected Migrate Website, you'll see another button pop up, Upload Backup Files. At this stage, you should have prepared your files you want to upload in a backup format. If you haven't already zipped your files or made a backup, you should ensure that's done so the upload goes smoothly. Once that's set, proceed to click on Upload Backup Files. After clicking, you'll be prompted to browse your files. Locate the backup files on your computer, select them and commence the upload. Hostinger will guide you through this, often displaying a progress bar to let you know how the upload is going. Once it completes, the files should be successfully uploaded to your account. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've navigated from logging into Hostinger to successfully uploading your files. Remember, if you encounter any bumps along the way, Hostinger has a robust support team ready to assist. Your website is just a few clicks away from being fully operational. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.